Welcome to Trade Doc, the Theta Options Trader, where we recap today's close, look at the futures, scan through our ETF watch list, spot opportunity. Today is November 15, 2016, and the market's closed green today. The Dow with another record high close, up 50 points, up to 18,923. The Nasdaq was up about 1.1%, up 57. And the S&P was up 0.75%, up $16. Taking a look at the futures, the ES Nasdaq is up. Well, this is kind of taking today's action. It's not closed. It's actually recording. It's 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So it's showing you today during the day action for crude oil up and still moving up 5.5%, up to $45.77. Natural gas down. We're gonna have to adjust that position there up to 270. Gold is almost unchanged, up 0.5%, 1228. Silver is up to $17. Copper came down to 2.5. The Nikkei is up, and the British pound is back down to 124.5. Mexican peso is down again. It's under 5 cents. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's tell the tale. Now this is oil, and actually portfolio reflected that position. Didn't know I was that hard delta, that many deltas in oil. I think I'm like up to 150 deltas now, and that actually is making my position more profitable, even though I'm expecting it to keep on moving up. So now that it's past this channel here, we'll make sure it doesn't enter this back into this channel. So we want to keep it out of this range here. So if it comes into this range, it's a warning. We don't want it to break down from this line here. So this is our real support. I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't cross that line. I'm gonna make it thicker. Okay, so that's the line. We don't want to make sure that's pretty much the bottom, short-term bottom. I don't like the fact that it closed below this trend line, and this trend line is from the January lows, so it's pretty significant here. Could take profits, but let it ride for a little bit. Here's Gold Explorer. Oil Explorers had a big pop up, 4%, so not good for us. And it looks like they're gonna consolidate for a little bit before they move. We'll just take a look, make sure that it's a new line there. Let it violate that before we go short on it again. Natural gas came down, and that's on strong volume. So now the new channel is here. It's still below this, so as long as it doesn't go below this line here, we'll keep that long position on it. Gold had a pop up. It had an earlier pop this morning, and it's still hovering in that section. So we can expect gold to have a big explosion, same way it came. Actually, the same way the gold miners are looking. So the gold miners are actually ahead of the gold price. It's still below this 22 moving average, so it's still I would buy at this point as well, but kind of loaded on gold miners. Silver is the same thing. It was extremely oversold for a little bit right down here. Built this. We put a buy signal just because of the price action, volume, kind of stabilized this price. Short term, that is. Looking to take our profits right here at 1665. XLE to the top of our channel here, and XLE is working out just fine. I should break this trend line back down and pretty much confirm there. So you could add another short position as a leg. That will leave it. XLU up a point and a half. We have no position there. XLI still holding on to our cheap puts, so we're negative delta on it, and wait till it comes back down to this area here. It's going to trade sideways for a while. And here's the material sector. We're waiting for it to break out. It looks like it broke up. So for the material sector, we had a buy on it. It's in profits. This is actually gonna be another buy on based on that action. So there it is for the material sector. Healthcare sector had a little pop up. Still trading above this channel. We'll see what it does, but let's see it sliding down. It'll be a slow bleeder. This is the real estate. It looks like it's consolidating right where we thought it'd be, so that's fine. Home builders flying up higher, so still good on a position, not taking no profits yet, though it does seem like the middle of the day it actually opened up and then closed down. There's the retail sector. It's way above its 20-day moving average, way above this channel. We put a sell on it short term. Let's see if it falls back to the top of this bar. Take some profits on that short. Financials not cooperating, pretty much unchanged from yesterday. Very low volume, so we can see this, and target price of 2040. The S&P actually broke up above its channel today, and this is on all low volume here. So all this low volume is not really encouraging. So low volume from here to here. So it's still like, and it still didn't go above this. So you want to see, I expect this to, it's either going to be a double top and break down, or keep trading sideways in this wedge before it comes back up. The Dow was up again, another record high. Was it a record high break? Record close. So it's a flat record close. You can see started the day at 188.90. Halfway through the day it went all the way to 188.38. For the second half of the day it went just straight up to close at 189.54. So we're still short the Dow though. The Nasdaq coming back above this channel. It's still in our zone. And the Russell, where we are pretty much short, bumping its head on that trend line. So it's still pretty good. Waiting for it to come down. Emerging markets, another big position that we put on. Looks like it closed right at its 20-day moving average. I put this line writing it's a strong support and resistance. As long as it stays above that line, we'll hold that long position. Japan is moving its way up now that things are stabilizing. China is as well. Should have put a buy position, but we have positions on it already. India, we have a long position on it, but since this is here, we're gonna buy India. Buy India today, Don't worry about it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Ask questions. Peace.